Mariam, I don't know if you want to talk about or show, up to you really, how editing works in commentary, because I think it's a little bit different.
Oh yeah, okay.
Folder.
So we will open up Google Keep as well.
Folder. Samsung.
See,
Folder.
fair game.
Folder opened. Play music. Google Keep Photos. Keep Notes. Keep Notes. New text note button. Note opened. Showing.
So here in CSR, I guess it's much more customizable. There are a lot of ways to copy. The main one that we could use is that, for instance, let me
Action. Edit button. Editor scroll. No text.
type something in this edit field. Like hello.
H cap E he L L O hello.
So we do have a really cute hello. So if we want to copy, what we do is
K L.
So this is the same thing that's happened with Warren when he said about the focus, that actually it comes back to, in the D word, the focus comes back to the keyboard. So we'd need to,
hello text box in.
Here's the text box. So if we want to copy, we actually have explained this, how to get this element. We could open the action menu through up and right.
Action menu.
And we will find
clean the currently focused text box.
Clean the currently focused text box. That's very important. So in TalkBack, it's pretty the same if you select all and then delete. But now if you hit this, it will directly delete.
Selection menu.
That's another way to copy. We'll talk about it shortly.
Copy.
We do have copy.
Showing recently copied content as candidate.
So it's copied and Gboard has actually announced. The other thing that you could do regarding copying is that we do have here
hello text,
a really cute edit box. So we'd open the action menu again.
Action menu. Action. Selection menu.
We'll go to the selection menu.
Text selection. Text hello unchecked. Select all button.
So here it shows you, if you have a thing that's written, it shows you as words, and you can select those words as checkboxes, and then you would find
hello. Select all button.
Select all.
Cancel button.
Cancel.
Copy button.
And copy, which is, in my opinion, pretty amazing. Also,
cancel button.
If you have set up your rotor, as we actually have mentioned in the last episode of CSR, if you swipe up,
speech
we
rate,
find speech rate,
copy,
and copy. Here, if we swipe left, it would say
showing recently copied content as candidate.
So it's copied. It would usually say message copied. If we actually swipe to the left, it would say
showing recently copied content as candidate.
It's supposed to say text appended. Text appended means that it added the thing that you wanted to copy to the thing that you already had in your clipboard. So, which is, in my opinion, pretty amazing. Also, another thing that I would like to mention here, the copy doesn't care what the screen reader has pronounced lastly. What CSR cares about is what the cursor is focused on. So for instance, if you are focused on a certain word that you want to copy, and then you got a new notification and you copied, it will copy the thing that you're focused on. It wouldn't copy the new notification. No matter where you are, like it doesn't matter if you're in an edit box or if you're on a web page or anything like that. So also I'd like to mention that you can find the append copy also in the action menu. It's there, and there's a really other cool way to copy.
Speed default.
So if you want to copy paragraph by paragraph.
Back button showing English. English was 40, edited yesterday, 12.
We have here, it's a text. So what you want to do is open the main menu, which is down and right. Menu.
Navigation menu.
You'll find something called navigation menu.
Navigation menu sentence.
So here you could actually navigate by sentences, words, paragraphs.
Cancel. Edit button.
There's edit.
All button. Sentence button.
Sentences.
Chart button. Paragraph button.
Paragraph.
So
here you have the paragraphs in a menu dedicated just to do what you want. You can also edit and things like that. So here you can copy.
Space.
That's Arabic, so I'm sorry.
ضروري جدا يا بنات نصل
So
واحد.
okay, this is the first.
Copy.
So we could copy the normal way.
Message copied.
Message copied.
Speed default.
We swipe to the right.
Space. شوف الإج.
So and we
Speed copy.
append, for instance.
Text appended.
It's already copied. So that's what I really love. That's the menus. You can open a certain menu that's just dedicated, and the screen reader you can copy from. Also, if you want to copy word by word, you have this ability. And another thing that I have actually found out, if you want to append copy in the selection menu, which works with checkboxes things, you can actually append copy and copy without needing to, check boxes, and then I'll show you. So
Default.
we have here,
Space. ضروري.
we will open the selection menu.
Action menu. Action. Selection menu. Navigation menu pair. ضروري. Unchecked.
This is a word.
Check. جدا. Unchecked. Checked.
So if you notice, it says unchecked and unchecked, unchecked. So here, that's a really cool thing as well. If you copy it
ضروري. Checked.
the normal way,
Speech copy. Message copied. Speech
and then
default. جدا. Check. Speak. Copy. Text appended.
so you actually remember the thing that's called checked, 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 checked. Here, CSR doesn't copy things like if it says recents button, it won't copy recents button. It will just copy the name of the button. And I don't think that happens in TalkBack, because TalkBack copies the last pronounced thing. Here, CSR just copies the actual thing without any additional stuff.
Thanks, Mariam. 2 questions for you from me
Yes.
then. When you were copying subsequent items, they were appending to the clipboard and being added onto what was already there. If I don't want that to happen, can I overwrite the clipboard and just copy the new thing? Maybe I copy something and decided I didn't want it. Can I just have the second thing copy and overwrite
Yes.
the first one?
Yes.
Excellent. That's good. And so I'll ask you the question I asked Warren. Obviously, Warren's had to select the entirety of the website to send Austin the nice comment, and has spent an hour deleting all the top bit on the website and the bottom bit on the website in his editor to ensure that the comment is just left. Someone's posted a comment saying Ed needs to get fired, and you want to send that to me. Will CSR let you copy text that isn't currently in an edit box? Say text
Yes.
off a
It will
website
copy
more
anything
easily.
that's not in the edit box. It doesn't care where you are. It just copies what you want.
Excellent. So I think I'll close this section by asking Warren what he thinks about CSR's text manipulation.
No, actually, I like that. And you know what? I think they copy a lot of things from the universal copy, which you can also install on your Android phone and use it with your TalkBack, and also has the appending features as well. So,
Yeah.
you could always use universal copy if you don't want to use CSR like me, who doesn't want to use CSR. Now, the only downfall of CSR is, of course, if I reset my phone, you're not going to have it. So great as it sounds,
just that's
that's
because
a
Google is
huge limitation.
Google is the main thing. They can't actually make this as a primary screen reader for devices, since Google was the main system. So I don't think that I can do that.
Yeah, so I mean, I like the stuff. Like I said, it's fine, and I'll give it, that props for that. I think that's beautiful. Yet it does has its limitations. Does have its limitations, just like
Exactly.
anything else. And I think it'll get better and better. And the most important thing is that at least we have that on Android, and so you could have
Right.
them running side by side with TalkBack. And if you're needing to copy things on the website that you want to be able to selectively select, then use
Exactly.
CSR instead of copying everything and go spend your time editing with TalkBack.
Yes, and I just wanted to point something out also. Our goal is just to introduce the listeners to every different thing so that they can decide actually what they want to use. So that's just our goal for, from this podcast, I think.
And that would be my fight with the lady.
I have to confess, my goal is to stir things between Mariam and Warren. I'm much more parochial about this. I applaud your more laudable goal, but I've had my fun now and I've done my stirring.